nakikita natin yung lawak at saklaw ng ginagawa sa atin ng People's Republic of China. Ito ay isang tahasang pagpapakita na kawalang respeto ng China sa bansang Pilipinas at sa ating mga kababayan. Hindi ko lubos maisip ang kahinatnan kung hindi natuklasan ang mga Admiral Roy Vincent Trinidad. Apparently, Admiral, during the last hearing, January 2025 of this year, we were able to identify HY119 found floating 9 kilometers off the coast of San Pascual, Masbate. Ito na po ba yon? Ito na po ba tong dilaw na ito? Yung HY9119, Admiral, tama po ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair, good afternoon. Before I start, Mr. Chair, I'd like first to greet the Honorable Chairman of the Special Committee on Philippine Maritime and Admiralty Zones. Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, I have a PowerPoint presentation to accompany the visual aids.
Go ahead. Technical, can you assist the good Admiral? Parang ayaw gumalaw yung
slideshow. Mr. Chair, the Philippine Navy has in our possession now different types of drones like this, which have been turned over to our laboratory for forensic examination. What is alarming about this or concerning about this is that for the past 2 years, we have received a good number of reports. When we started, based on the guidance of the Commander-in-Chief, that we are shifting from internal security to external defense, and we are to conduct comprehensive archipelagic defense operations, we started receiving reports of equipment being found ashore by our fishermen. These were found up north, Batanes or Calayan, off the coast of Zambales, as shown on the map, Masbate, Initaw. These areas, Mr. Chair, are just astride international sea lanes or choke points. Balintang Channel up north, San Bernardino Strait, and Surigao Strait. The yellow drone, Mr. Chair, 119.
Yan po yung inimbestigahan natin dati. Ito yung na forensics na. Can you educate this committee as to the contents of this actual submersible drone? Ito na yung actual. Yung dati, ano lang, replica lang. Ito na yung actual. Hindi ko hawakan na, Admiral, kasi baka kung anong mangyari dyan. So ano po ito? Ano ang nilalaman nito? Bakit ito nakakasira sa ating seguridad?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Next slide, please. Before we conduct any, there are two types of forensics, Mr. Chair. Level 1 and Level 2. Level 1 is the physical examination of the specimen. Dimensions, the weight, the color, any visible markings. Shown on the screen, Mr. Chair, is the Level 1 examination or exploitation of this drone, which is marked HY119.
Committee Secretary, you can mark that as Exhibit C1 for the Philippine Navy. So directed.
Next slide, please. After the Level 1, Mr. Chair, will be a Level 2 examination or exploitation. This will start off with a full X-ray of the specimen to know what is inside.
Are we now referring to the HY119 o pare-pareho lahat sila? Meron pa sa baba kasi.
Yes, Mr. Chair, just the HY119, the yellow one, Mr. Chair.
Go ahead.
This particular drone is designed to be seen from the surface, considering its color. It is capable, based on its CTD sensor, conductivity, temperature, and depth sensor, which is up front on the nose. This contains a CTD sensor, as shown also on the screen. The CTD sensor records bathymetric data, depth of water, salinity, oxygen content, and other uh, information from the environment.
COMSEC marked that as C2. Committee Secretary, are you listening? Mark that as C2 exhibit for the Philippine Navy. So directed. Please proceed, General.
This particular drone, all other drones, to include this one, we have noticed that we get reports of them during the typhoon season. Ibig sabihin, Mr. Chair, they could either be washed ashore or be found floating. And nakakarating sa atin ang reports from our fishermen. This is inertial propelled. It has batteries inside. It has a complicated system that it could allow this equipment, this specimen, to receive, to store, to process, and to transmit data through satellite communications, either through a mothership, another drone, a contact on land, or on air.
Admiral, itong drone na ito, ano ang pagkakaiba doon sa itim na drone? Tama ba yung mga sinasabi ko dati pag itim, military grade?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Next slide, please.
So General, yung nabanggit mo, Admiral, yung nabanggit mo kanina na ito ay pwedeng mag-communicate, meron bang posibilidad na yung operator nito ay nandun din sa mga dalampasigan ng Masbate, nasa isang yate, nasa isang barko para siyang magbigay ng instruction dito?
Or
Sa
even
drone
in a foreign country, Mr. Chair.
kahit nasaan, saan, tingnan mo na, diretsuhin na natin. Saan galing itong drone na ito at sino nag-ooperate nito?
Mr. Chair, the level 2 exploitation would show us that some of the sensors inside are commercial off the shelf. Others have markings, which I will show later in the
Go ahead,
PowerPoint.
go ahead. I'm sorry. Mark this picture as C3 for the Philippine Navy. Go ahead, Admiral.
This picture, Mr. Chair, is of, we have 3 of these already in our possession. Forensics level 1 and level 2 have been conducted.
You're referring to the black?
The black one,
Yung
Mr.
black,
Chair.
yung black. So sa records ko, Admiral, we have recovered 5 submersible drones.
This,
Tama ba? Nakakalima na yan? Can you have that microphone operate?
this, Mr. Chair, is the 6th one already. Itong itim lang from Mr. Chair.
Natin.
We have 3, Mr. Chair.
3.
The green one, the yellow one.
And there is even an orange one, di ba? Meron ding orange. So yung orange para saan?
In yellow one.
Tama ba yung sinasabi ko rin dati na yung dulo nitong itim ay merong cord na pag hinila ay pwedeng sumabog? Hindi totoo. Yung fake news pala yon. So walang explosive devices dito kaya pero kailangan pa rin mag-ingat yung ating mga mangingisda na makakuha nito. Oo. So go ahead, sir.
Here is the phone close to that one. So those pictures of PowerPoint makita yung Mr. Chair on the left side. Then again,
Teka, bababa rin ako. Hindi ko naman nakikita rito sa taas. Ayun, sige. This is the black one. Okay.
house AVS, acoustic vector sensor.
And that's used for?
Chips, not one degrade from the following ones.
And I proceed with the same question. Is the black one being operated, monitored by a military or Coast Guard vessel of foreign origin?
They are
And the ship that would lower this need not be a naval ship or a Coast Guard ship.
any type of ships that have appropriate equipment to load this weapons.
Please proceed. the chair would like to ask the Navy authorities to further elucidate this the description being made. Lapitan nyo na siguro. Do we have a pointer or kung hindi pwedeng hawakan yan? Sigurado, Admiral, di sasabog? O ito. Panturo mo na lang ito. Ha? Ayun. Ayun, sige, sige.
Big sensor, vector sensor.
Okay.
The ABS picks up sound in
Okay.
the water, the direction, and the strength.
Okay.
So based on that, we could calculate the distance of the source of the sound.
Meron pong palapit na Philippine Coast Guard, madidetect nito kahit malayo pa.
Kahit malayo, Mr. Chair, they could pick up the signature of the sound signature that differentiates. What differentiates the black and the
Can they be directed by a satellite?
yes, Mr. Chair, they could receive, store, process, and transmit signals.
And you may answer or you may not answer. Ito bang dilaw na ito, na forensics na ito, marami na ba ito napadalang mga informasyon sa ibang bansa? Hindi pa natin nababanggit kung anong bansa yon.
Yes, Mr. Chair, they go.
Admiral, if I may interrupt you, the black drone was retrieved near the coast of Ilocos.
One was retrieved in Talaya, Cagayan, one in Sukin,
Ilocos,
and this one in Santa. Right.
Batanes. Comsec, can you mark this photograph as Exhibit C4 for the Philippine Navy? Go ahead, Admiral.
For this, Mr. Chair,
Black drone is of Chinese origin and presumably reports to the People's Liberation Army.
the parts are made in China, some of the parts. One of them
Ano ba tayong kakayahan na malaman kung ano yung mga informasyon na pinadala na sa China?
it is ongoing right now, Mr. Chair. That will take a level 3 explanation.
So kaya pa yon. When was this retrieved? Itong sa pasukin of this year? Bago lang.
retrieve sa
Sir, di ba meron naman silang lifespan? Ang alam ko ito, 365 days lang ang battery nito eh.
battery, Mr. Chair.
Oo. Tapos matitirik na siya.
Mr. Chair, disposable.
So walang paraan yung satellite para recharge siya.
None, Mr. Chair.
So ang mangyayari niyan, yung laman niya sa loob talagang dapat mawala na. I-dispose na nila.
Before that, Mr. Chair,
Para sa para ibig sabihin namamatay na siya, ganon?
Wait a second, Mr. Chair. One slide lang.
Mag-resurface para mag-transmit ng signal.
Yes, Mr. Chair. On the left side of your screen, Mr. Chair, that's the
Right command for the drone to resurface to send signals.
sensitive.
Dapat pala doon alert din yung ating mangingisda. Pag nakita nilang lumulutang na, hulihin na rin. Go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
Mr. Chair, the Mr. Chair, Kuya.
Made in sis. O yung bathymetric.
Water, salinity,
Oo.
temperature.
Yun yung palagay, Admiral. Ganun karami pa mga drone ang nagkalat sa buong Pilipinas. Sa ngayon, habang tayo kukondak ng hearing nito, meron
Mr. Chair, this is only the tip of the iceberg.
kung ito ay tip of the iceberg, eh siguro po lahat ng karagatan natin ay may mga ganito na sa ilalim
Possible, Mr. Chair. Very possible.
at kumakalap ng informasyon. Can they gather information concerning land-based activities? Hindi lang. But that one, the black one, but there is a drone, a submersible drone that can accomplish that mission.
Bigger one, sophisticated.
Wala pa tayo nahuhuling ganon. Oo.
I show the ship.
Yes, go ahead, go ahead.
Next slide.
Ba, ano po ito?
This is a search vessel of the BLA monitored last 11 April.
Bago lang. Ito yung sa Baho? Sa nakita sa Palawan?
Near Copa and Panata show. We have personnel on Copa and Panata mission ship. This ship, on that is capable, based on the design sa likod, Mr. Chair, it is capable of lowering, recovering, retrieving
Drones.
drones, cables, or other equipment to check the underwater environment.
Comsec, mark that as a C5 of the Philippine Navy. Go ahead, sir.
Sufficient.
This is the command and control.
Or a mothership may share and launch such a prepare as this.
Can a mothership be an ordinary looking ship similar to the vessel that capsized in Mindoro?
Yes.
So pwede rin yun. So hindi naman kailangan ganito. Pwedeng yung mga tanker, pwede yung mga kagaya nga nung nag-capsize sa Mindoro nung nakaraang linggo. Pwede rin yun. Ito, may plug pa ng China. Oo. Go ahead, sir. Go ahead. Sir, can all these drones communicate with each other? Pwede ba mag-usap to si Itim dito, mahina na yung baterya ko. Kayo naman na di ba? Pwede ba si Black Drone, mission accomplished na siya.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Consider that na-claim na natin ito, turned over by the fishermen. We set out to check how long with the battery, kung naubos pa siya, kaya siya nag-surface o nasadsad. But the good thing is we have information in our possession, Mr. Chair. All of this, Mr. Chair, are part of the BOIN, the Blue Ocean Information Network of the Chinese.
Probably referring to the West Philippine Sea.
West Philippine Sea and the entire South China Sea, Mr. Chair.
What about the talampas ng Pilipinas? Yung Benham Rice, wala pa bang nahuhuli doon?
We have not received any, ang Benham Rice, Mr. Chair, medyo malayo ang kanin. So, ang mga fishermen natin hindi makapunta sa ano. Unlike the other, all of this will be close to the shore.
Siguradong meron yun doon. Because it was determined to be rich in manganese nodules and rare earth elements, which is a sought-after mineral. Go ahead, sir. Go ahead. Admiral, one more question. Totoo ba na ang laman nito ay China Telecom SIM card?
Yes, Mr. Chair. The black one, similar to this, had a SIM card. Among the other components inside was they have SATCOM capability, GPS, a SIM card from China Telecom. This was the one that was monitored, or the data there indicated it sent a signal to A064, which being checked is a location in China.
So once a signal is transmitted to mainland China, can the said signal be acknowledged likewise by this equipment? Yung nagnanad din ba siya? Ganon?
I'll have to check, Mr. Chair, with the experts on IT or electronics. But the report of the forensics mentions that the SIM card sent a message. The area code and location data was A064, indicating China.
And from your studies, Admiral, hindi natin masagot kung ganong karami na ito. Does it have to do with any specific planned oil exploration activities being undertaken or to be undertaken by the Philippine government?
It is possible, Mr. Chair, because the information derived from the undersea, underwater environment would have different uses: academic research, commercial oil exploration, and military.
Is there such a gadget that would detect the presence of all of this? Baka naman makagawa yung DOST ng isang drone catcher o drone detector. O baka naman kita sa satellite yan. Baka magawa nung, ano ba yung agency natin? Philippine Space Agency. Baka may magawa. Can this be detected para once and for all, alam natin kung saan nagpapaikot-ikot ito? Baka naliligo yung mga kamag-anak natin sa Boracay, baka kita bigla ng ganyan. Hindi nila alam na nandun na pala. Di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair, there are sensors that could detect even equipment smaller than this. Currently, Mr. Chair, we rely more on our other government agencies and fisher folks who gave us the reports.
So are there plans? Are there plans coming from the Philippine Navy or the Department of National Defense to acquire gadgets that would enable us to detect all of this? I'm now referring to how the Philippine Navy would upgrade its capabilities to counter small or even big, hard-to-detect underwater drones.
Mr. Chair, could I request the former commander of the submarine group
Yes,
to
please.
expound on how we could further detect this type of
Yes,
equipment,
yes.
Mr. Chair? Commodore Ednera, please.
Go ahead, sir.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. I'm Commodore Neredi, an undersea warfare officer, sir. I would like to on the import of acoustic data. Sir, if I were to address, I will start on the conditions or elements that affect